Good morning, everybody. Ooh, the sun's bright. We are in Key West today. We are going to be going over to the Key Lime Pie, the Key West Key Lime Pie Company to get some key lime pie. It's the best that I've ever had. I love it. I do that every time I come to Key West. It's a bit warm today. Not sure how long we'll roam around Key West. That's pretty much all I plan on doing. I burn in the sun real easy, so I don't plan on spending a whole lot of time in the sun. We had a great time last night. Just looking forward to today. I'm going to start inquiring about some of this aqua class amenities and stuff like that once I get back. And that's where we're at. Thanks again for joining me. If you would like to visit the Key West Key Lime Pie Company, it's just a short walk from the pier. As you make your way, don't forget to take in the beauty around you, like these pelicans we spotted. Later in this video, I tell you the wrong address. The Key West Key Lime Pie Company is located at 511 Green Street on the corner of Green and Ann Street. They have award-winning pies that just can't be missed, such as this 2021 Killer Key Lime Pie Award at the Key Lime Pie Festival. They have an open view kitchen where you can watch them make all the pies. I wanted to show you what they offer as well as current prices. Feel free to pause the video and read it if you like. Alright everybody, we are at the Key Lime Pie Company on West Street. As you can see in the background that you can watch them make the key lime pies. Whenever you buy your key lime pie by the slice here, generally it's served frozen. It doesn't take that long to really melt or anything like that, but it is so good. And here comes Doug with my key lime pie. This is so good. As you can see, you get this fluffy pie with a thin, crunchy graham cracker crust. When you get it by the slice, it's frozen, and it's perfect for a hot Key West day.
That is heaven. That is so good. That truly is the best key lime pie I've ever had. So if you are in Key West, check them out. It's the Key West Key Lime Pie Company, and they're on West Street, and it's fantastic. So I'm gonna go enjoy my key lime pie. Bye.
Alright everybody, the key lime pie is gone. I'm not going to eat anymore, and it's time to go back to the ship. It's hot outside. I need some air conditioning. So that's where we're going now. We're going back to the ship, and I think I'm going to look more into the aqua class amenities a little bit more. I got some information from the front desk, and we're going to check it out. So that's what we're going to do. Hey y'all, we are back in our room. We're going to go get some coffee. We just got back from the Key West Key Lime Pie Company. They always have the best key lime pie. If you ever get a chance, check them out. So right now we're going to get some coffee. We were going to get it while we were in Key West, but you know what? Why go pay for coffee? We can get it for free on the ship. So that's what we're going to do now. The coffee here at Cafe Abacchio is really good. I like it. It's on the premium drink package, so if you like coffee, stop by.
Hi guys, so Doug is going to go over and try to win a bottle of champagne for a ring toss, so let me show you that. Well, after 2 tries, still no win yet. Nobody's won it yet. We're gonna see, but I want to keep filming to see who wins. Oh well, Doug didn't win the champagne. Older gentleman won on the first try. It was amazing. That was really cool. So it was a lot of fun. Enjoyed watching Doug do that. Glad it wasn't me, because I wouldn't have even come close. Hey y'all, one of the nice things about staying in Aqua class, and they also have it in the concierge class too, is they deliver canapes to your room in the afternoon, which is kind of nice. So we got our canapes, so I want to show you what we got. Haven't even looked at it yet myself, so let's look at it. Okay, that looks like some type of chips, some type of salsa, some type of pink thing, and then those red things probably are beets. It looks like beets and corn. So I'm gonna check and see what it tastes like. Okay, I'm gonna try this salsa stuff that's on my chip. See what it tastes like. Well, it tastes like bell pepper, onion, tomato. Yeah, that's what it tastes like. It's good though. Okay, the second one is going to be what I think is beets and corn. So I think that's what it is. Not really a lot of flavor. Kind of sweet. Didn't really taste like beets. I still think that's what it is though, but it doesn't really taste like beets. Not a whole lot of flavor to it. Okay, the last thing that I'm going to try is this pink thing. And I have a thing with textures and food, and I've got a feeling this texture is not going to make it, because this is like squishy, like rubber. and regardless if it tastes good, I'm probably not going to like the texture. So let's see. Ooh. It's like marshmallow. But it made a noise when I bit into it. I'm not gonna have that. Alright, I spit this out. As I said, I have a thing with textures. Marshmallows don't make it. And that was too marshmallowy. No. Doug will like that, but that's not for me. The taste was fine, but that texture. The pico de gallo, or salsa, or whatever that is, that's really flavorful. I like that a lot. But it's always nice that you return to the room around 2 o'clock, 2:30ish, and you've got canapes or a little snack in your room. And then again, that covers your aqua class and also your concierge class, which is really nice. So hope you enjoyed that little tidbit of information. Okay, y'all, it's time to do something. Getting sleepy. I think we're gonna go play trivia. And the trivia on this ship tends to be a little bit difficult. But we're still having fun. Ari does a great job, and that's where we're going right now. Okay, so guys, we did not win the trivia. The first trivia was a general knowledge trivia. Some of those things are really hard. And then the second one was called like a side-by-side or something like that. It was, you had to figure out these things, and we did okay. Not the greatest, but we did okay. But still not as good as some of the people who did win. So now we are going to do something special. We are getting ready to leave port in Key West here, and we've been invited to do the sail away on the
helicopter pad, the helipad at the front of the ship. So people are not normally allowed to go there. This right here is an invite from the captain. Yeah, kind of special. So going to get my sunglasses and we are going to head out because we've got about maybe 15 minutes before we are supposed to leave port. So that's what we're doing right now. Can't wait to show you this. This should be a lot of fun. Okay guys, so the wind is a little bit better right now. I can speak. We are on our way out. You can see the beach behind me there. What a wonderful time this is. I really appreciate that. You can see the bridge up there. Wave at them. Hello there. What a wonderful time. Beautiful day out. A little bit chilly. As I said before, it is windy. Right now the ship is blocking the wind, and it's time to go get dinner. So I will see you in a bit. Hey y'all, I'm going to be trying beef Wellington for the very first time. Let's see how this tastes. That is very good. I like it. The name of this show is Soundtrack, and I liked it even better than the previous one. This is not a show you'll want to walk on by. They are amazing. This lively show also includes acrobats. Soundtrack is a dynamic collection of songs from classic and current movies. Okay, I forgot to close out the video. We stopped by the Martini Bar after the show. How about that? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and as always, thank you for tripping with me.